Are you feeling trapped in a cycle of weight loss and gain? It's a frustration all too common, a never-ending cycle of challenge and despair. The battle with the scale has become a daily routine, leaving you feeling defeated, disappointed, and disheartened. You've tried it all, haven't you? From the calorie counting to extreme hours at the gym, from low-carb diets to juice cleanses, from meditation to medication, yet the outcome remains the same. It seems like an uphill battle, a struggle that seems to have no end in sight. The plethora of diet plans out there can be daunting and misleading. They promise fast results, easy solutions, but they rarely deliver. It's a minefield of misinformation and false hope that leaves you feeling more lost than ever. Every new diet seems like the magic solution that will change things. But time and again, they disappoint, leaving you wondering if there's a diet plan that truly works. This struggle is not unique to you. This is a universal challenge faced by millions who are searching for ways to achieve their weight loss goals. It is a struggle that is both physical and emotional, full of trials and setbacks. But despite the hurdles, we persist, hoping to find that one diet plan that will finally make the difference. Remember, it's not your fault. The weight loss industry is complex, filled with contradictory advice and gimmicky diets that offer short-term results but fail in the long run. It's a world that thrives on unrealistic expectations and false promises. Well, you're not alone. Imagine a diet plan, exclusively personalized for you, that could help you shed those extra pounds and keep them off, for good. Think about a program that understands your body better than you do. A program that knows what your body needs and how it can lose weight in a healthy way. Have you ever considered that you could have a diet plan that is not just a one-size-fits-all, but rather a tailor-made blueprint to your healthier self? Picture this, a diet that is not just about losing weight, but about living a better, healthier, and longer life. This is a diet plan that takes into consideration your unique dietary requirements, your lifestyle, and your specific health goals. It is a diet plan that gives you the right amount of nutrients you need without compromising on taste and satisfaction. It's more than just a diet plan. It's essentially a way of life designed specifically to suit you and your body's needs. In this diet plan, you are not just counting calories, you are taking control of your health and well-being. You have the power to decide what goes into your body and how it affects you. Picture waking up every day, feeling energetic and revitalized, knowing that you are on the right track to reaching your health goals. This is not a fad or a quick fix to your weight problems. This is a sustainable, scientifically backed way to shed those pounds and embrace a healthier, happier you. It is not just about looking good, but also feeling good from within. And the best part of it all, it's not a pipe dream. It's real, and it's here for you to take the first step. That's the magic of the custom keto diet. Let's hear from some of the people who have experienced this transformation firsthand. Meet Jane, a working mother of 2, who was struggling with post-pregnancy weight gain. The custom keto diet changed my life, she says. It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle change. And the best part, I didn't have to give up on my favorite foods. Then there's Tom, a busy executive who barely had time for the gym. With the custom keto diet, I lost over 20 pounds in just 2 months. It's simple, it's effective, and it fits perfectly with my hectic schedule. These are just a couple of the countless success stories from people who have transformed their lives with the custom keto diet. So, what's the secret? The custom keto diet is not a one-size-fits-all plan. It's personalized, taking into consideration your food preferences, lifestyle, and weight loss goals. And it's not just about limiting carbs. It's about finding the right balance of nutrients to help your body burn fat more effectively. But don't just take our word for it. Try the custom keto diet for yourself. You might just be our next success story. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. So take that step today, towards a healthier, happier you. The custom keto diet is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle change, and it's one change you'll be glad you made. So why wait? Start your weight loss journey with the custom keto diet today, because you deserve a diet plan that works just as hard as you do. And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where transformation happens. That's how change occurs. So go ahead, make that change. Change your life with the custom keto diet. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts today. Start your custom keto diet now, because you're worth it. The custom keto diet program is not just any weight loss plan. It's a personalized journey that respects your individuality. It's not about forcing you into a one-size-fits-all mold. Instead, it's about crafting a diet plan that works for you, based on your unique body type, lifestyle, exercise routine, stress levels, and even your food preferences. Unlike other diet plans that might restrict you to eating foods you don't enjoy, the Custom Keto Diet program centers around your personal tastes. This makes the ketogenic diet not only sustainable, but also enjoyable. The plan doesn't just stop at personalization, it's rooted in proven science, focusing on a high-fat, low-carb diet that's been shown to be effective for weight loss and promoting overall health. This 8-week program provides you with a personalized meal plan filled with a variety of keto-friendly foods that you love. Whether you're a fan of high-fat avocados and nuts or protein-rich chicken and fish, there's a satisfying and balanced diet waiting for you. But the journey doesn't stop there. Along with your meal plan, you'll gain access to valuable resources like an extensive library of recipes, a rich video library for visual learners, and a private Facebook group where you can find support and guidance from others on the same journey. The Custom Keto Diet program's ultimate goal is to help you achieve healthy and sustainable weight loss while still allowing you to enjoy the foods you love. It's about striking a balance between effective weight loss and pleasurable food choices. So, are you ready to embark on a weight loss journey that's personalized, pleasurable, and proven? Start your Custom Keto Diet today. In the path to sustainable weight loss, it's not just about what you eat, but also about how you approach this transformation. With the Custom Keto Diet program, you're not alone on this journey. We provide comprehensive support and resources to guide you every step of the way. Our extensive recipe library is filled with delectable, keto-friendly dishes that will keep your taste buds satisfied. Need a visual guide? Our video library is packed with step-by-step tutorials to help you master your keto meals. And if you ever need motivation or advice, our private Facebook group is a community of individuals who are on the same path, ready to share their stories, tips, and encouragement. The Custom Keto Diet program is not just a diet plan, it's a lifestyle change. And we're here to ensure you have all the tools necessary to succeed. So are you ready to start a weight loss journey that's not just personalized and pleasurable, but also backed by a supportive community and abundant resources? Let's take the first step together. Are you feeling inspired, eager to start your own transformation journey with the Custom Keto Diet? We are excited for you. To get access to the Custom Keto Diet, all you have to do is click on the link in the description box below this video. It's that easy. This is your opportunity to try out a diet that's tailored to your own unique body and lifestyle. Remember, you're not just getting a diet plan, but a complete lifestyle change, backed by a supportive community and a wealth of resources. Take the first step today towards a healthier, happier you. And remember, every journey begins with a single step. The first step towards your healthier, happier life is just a click away. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, advice, and success stories. Your journey to a healthier you starts now, and we're excited to be a part of it. Welcome to the Custom Keto Diet family.